Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to scan our assignments so first we need to go cam scanner mode APK. This will be good for us that we can get the all benefits from this application. We don't need to buy anything. So first we will download this application. I will also share the link in the description. Okay, and here showing two options. I will show the first one, and here is the download is almost ready, so it's downloading now. Download. Now it's downloading here. So I will go in the file, and here is showing my downloaded file in the install files, and here I will easily install it. So I will go how to edit the cover page in mobile easily. So I will go by this website which I am showing to Dogfly. I will also put in the description this link, and here is click to upload, and we can download from LMS, and here we will put cover page. Okay, and here I will select the cover page PDF, and now you can see here is showing our documents. Already I edited before I was checking that it's working or not. Now it's worked, so I'm showing. Here is showing text. I will just click there, and I will put where I need to write. So I will just click here, and I will write here subject. Sorry, I will write here first semester. That is very easy. That is very easy. Nothing we need to do. Just we need to drag, and first we need to select size. I will select the size here, and I will write 16. It's better to understand or better to, and I will click, and I will just drag on top. Okay, but and subject code I will just write anything. First we need to write in capital letter, so I'm just writing in capital letter. Okay, we can choose as we need. Okay, and then I will choose the text front. I chosen the different one, but I will select. Okay. I will write the subject name. I just showing the example to understand you. Okay, you can choose. Uh, I will write here learning ID. Just example I'm showing. This is for my learning ID. Just example I'm doing. We can sit in the line. I'm selecting here. Okay. It's very easy, nothing it's hard. You can do by your phone as well. There is no issue. As I am doing, just follow what I am doing. Okay, so just select the text Roman. I selected the different one because I'm showing example, so I forget to do this. And here is showing save, and I saved, and here is showing export. So I will select the export, and here is showing download, so I will just download, and now download file. Okay, now our cover page edit has been done, and now you can see this is cover page, and I will go I install the cam scanning, and I will open here, and I will just cross on the top, and here I will allow all photos and everything that we can choose easily, and here I will put file manager. I will go in file manager and cover page, which I downloaded now, and here is showing cover page. Okay, got it. First I will go in the more, because I need to set the A4 size. I will go down and PDF setting, and here is showing PDF's page size, and I will select A4, and now okay. Now this done, and now we will add assignments from our notebook, and here is showing add. I will add, and I will import image. Not import, we can click here direct, and just example I am showing. You can do it should be not showing the shadow, but this application is very uh, high level, so it will also remove our shadow, but I will suggest you just take the picture without shadow. And here is accepting, and now I will choose the Magic Pro. Magic Pro is a premium. If you will use without premium application, you will not get this benefit, but this link which I am sharing you, you will get all benefit from this application. And now this pictures is too much high resolution, so there will be very good impact in our assignment. And now here is showing our second documents will be shown here. You can see here, and you can add more. I will showing, so we can add more just for your understand. And here I will take a picture, and I will select, I will click on the okay, and now I will select the full page. You can also do the same. You should not took any shadows on your picture. It would be better for you. I'm just showing you example. So, and now see Magic Pro done. Okay, I will do the done. And now we need to rename the name. So you can see here is 3 pages I did. In the rename, on the top we can see rename, and we will write the first learning ID. I'm just showing example. Learning ID, number dash, and then MBA program. Then we will put this, and then name, and then subject name. Okay, okay. And how we will export in the file as a PDF? So we will go first share PDF, and here is showing save to local. Means save to local means in our file manager in our phone. Save to local I will choose, and this file has been saved, showing download camera scan. We will go in file, we will go download, and we will show the camera scanner. And now you can see the second one drive. So just open and see, this is here for us. No need to print anything, cover page, anything. We can do everything from the phone. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got the all answer. Thank you so much.